So niya po ng tion na maabot ang mama ni Zoe. Sige, mamuntag mga besh mga. Bye!
Pasko mga besh mga bye!
Ay mga Pasko di ay. Today it's Christmas Eve. But this vlog will be a Christmas Eve / Christmas vlog. Heyo! Sige, so karon, we are going to the mercado, the market. We're gonna buy some Christmas gifts because they know a lot of kids up in the bukid, up in the mountains that probably won't receive toys for Christmas. Alright, so let's go.
To the place I belong, West Virginia.
And mama, take me home. Sige, nakaamon na kami dito sa mercado. Mupalit ni mga shopping bags kay
Get some toys.
gonna get some toys for the kids tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna wander around here and see what kind of things we can get. Sige. Alright, mission accomplished thus far. Bought some games,
Bought some
candy,
Mentos.
Mentos. Tomorrow we will give them out because tomorrow's Christmas. And right now, muli na kami sa balay. We're gonna go home and chill. To be continued. Ayos! Sige, nagilis na kami. Gwapo na akong sulob. Tungod. Mato kami sa simbahan. Simbang Gabi eh. First time ko maka-experience ani. This is the crew. Mga gwapo-gwapa. Grabe. Uy,
We're like matchy.
tatang.
Oh, guwapo.
Matchy-matchy.
Matchy.
Zoe Lynn. Zoe Lynn.
Zoe
Wow.
Space Lynn.
Zoe Space Lynn. And we're back!
Hello!
Dito sa balay. Pumunta kami sa Simbang Gabi eh. That's my first time experiencing that. First mass experience.
Yeah, it's Catholic math.
Catholic mass.
Catholic mass.
Math. Good times. Great experience.
Now we're gonna go have.
Food, yes.
Because
I'm
that's
actually
the
very
other half of
tulogon.
Simbang
Gabi.
Gabi.
Because we gotta eat, even though we just ate.
Yeah, we just had dinner.
Pero
But
okay
that's
na.
okay.
Woo! Sige, mayong Pasko
Mayong
sa inyo
Pasko!
tanan. I'm gonna give you a quick little update. Last night, we were at a fiesta.
Yeah.
I got super tired, so I actually went home. We went home a little before 12. But right now, we're heading to the bukid. And we're gonna hand out the gifts that we bought yesterday to the kids. And it'll be a jolly old time. So, there you go. Linya na kamo.
Linya mo ka.
Oh, first day, second. Let's say third. Oh, yun. So, gipadala kami ni Santa Claus para hatag og gift sa inyo. Woo!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, wait, your bubble.
Sige, pagbalik dire, nami dulce, candy. Ay, di ka mo gusto candy? Libre man eh. Ilabay, go! Woo! Napa! Woo! Nagana, oy! Boom! Sige, uli na me. Bye! Mayong Pasko! Success! Success! Rockstar! Sige, so niya po ng tion na maabot ang mama ni Zoe. Si Nanay Lynn din. So, got my driver's hat. We're gonna pick her up limo style.
Yes.
Let's go. Ano siya? Mayong Pasko.
Christmas.
Nanay Lynn, kumusta?
What about you?
Oh.
What are you doing? Ikaw, Jude.
God, Jed. First impressions?
First impression. First complaint. What is this one here?
Sige, inaan kami diri sa Tanginis. Sa Lugyon, diri ka mamukhaon. Actually, we already started. Gutom na kami. After this, most langoy kami diri sa may inflatable toy. Ayos.
Your hands touching my hand, want your fingers everywhere. Don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one.
Say what's up.
What's up, guys?
Woo! Let's go! Nice. Ooh. Sige, tumbling ka? Diha.
Hindi ko pa tumbling.
On top of the clock, wish I got superpowers.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the main event. Y'all ready for this? So on, we're gonna open presents.
Yes.
Yes. That's what we're doing. Check out Nanay Lin. Oh, tanawa iyang kalo, Christmas tree. Astig ba?
From Australia.
From Australia, may.
From
Musta imong lupad?
Ano man?
Mayo, jet lag?
No jet lag. Just hit.
Okay, first one for Tatay Chicks. Wait, what the heck? For Mama Inday.
Whoa! Sana all!
Auntie.
Whoa! Grabe! Swerte! Daga nagpalangi sa'yo. Dora?
Mama Inday.
Wow! Tulo na! It's pag yun. Abre ni mo?
Isa. Auntie Inday.
Wow! Wow! Open her up.
Aha!
Whoa!
Kaloy hat.
Bisayang Hilaw! Yeah, look at that. Wapo ah. Hey, unsay pagtani mo?
Oh, lihat hat gini.
Hat?
Hat kanang init, dili kau. Oh,
Uh-oh.
Bisayang Hilaw.
Oh, pakita na.
Grabe!
Bisayang Hilaw.
Kitsa na.
Selamat.
Dili.
Biro na.
Medyas. Ikaw po. Sige, dungan mo.
Doon mi ha.
Go. Wala. Sulit. Grabe.
Bisayang Hilaw. Selamat.
Nice. Rock and roll.
I can't tell. Spartan.
Swerte ba?
Abianas.
Be honest. Oh.
Spartan.
Heyo. Ligo na na.
Thank you.
Unsa na siya?
Hilaw.
Sayang hinog.
Hinog di ay. Murag bagay sa inyo.
We all need to walk around Mama House.
You got it.
They will really know you. Right, this is his crew.
Yep.
You're gonna wear all this, right?
Gang.
Like a
Tomorrow.
Nice. All right.
reunion.
Yeah. Family reunion.
Kalo mo tagtanan. Sayang hilaw.
Suri-suri din mo bawa.
Finally, I got mine.
Ay.
Kompleto na. Testigan mo. Wow, backwards. Cool kid.
Oh, sikat na kayo.
Nice.
This one?
No.
The brown bag.
Yeah, nice rapping job. Wow! Woo! Palakpak! Right on, alright! Dili na ka maglisod sa lamok.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, lamok. Goodbye, hikot mata. Very good. Pakuryente.
Twice.
Lamok. It's an electric lamok swatter. Chada mana.
Ay, samok. Salamok.
Salam. Nice. First, let's appreciate Zoe's good wrapping job
Yeah.
that I'm gonna destroy.
Yeah. Bruce.
Tiles. It's a tiles.
It's a tenedor, cuchara, utensils.
That's
Slide on. I destroyed her at scratch.
No.
She wants to get back in it.
Rematch.
Alright, you gotta put this in your bag though when we get back then.
Deal.
Yeah.
And then you have to put the fly swatter in.
Shit, we didn't think this was.
Alright, this one
Oh.
from Mama Moody, all the way from the States with a detour or a stopover in Australia. Okay. Oh, Cars, this is for you.
Oh wow, that was massive of her. Thanks, Mom.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's.
Thanks, Marcia.
Marsh.
Later.
Marcia.
She's actually called Marsha in her hometown.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have to see you next year.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, have a look.
What is it?
Why are you crying?
Allah.
Kyrie. Oh, wow. Little
It
Kyrie.
even has ear.
What is it?
Kyrie.
Oh, let's see if we can focus here. No, it's not focusing.
It's a necklace with my Kyrie boy, and it's actually his picture because his ear is crooked.
Christmas, we wish you Americano. We wish you Americano. And a happy New Year. Bye-bye for more. Wow, much money na. Zoe, 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 Sana all. What can it be?
Oh!
Oh! Wala. Suka na si Gary.
Always gets the best present.
Thank you. Ang mabait ninyo. Thank you.
This.
It's real leather there. Fossil.
Whoop.
Whoa! Oh wait, there's more.
Thank you.
Ayo, sumanong Pasko sa inyo tanan, marang vlog karon. Unta nalinga mo. Salamat sa pagtanaog.
Look. Oh, all the hats. Come on, where are all the hats?
Bisayang.
Ay, labay. 1, 2, 3, go! Hey!